Good morning all. I'm Dr. Gayathri, working as Assistant Professor of Chemistry in SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to share about measurement of pH. That is, pH can be determined using a particular electrode. That is, a ion selective electrode. In that, the ion selective electrode or the electrodes which having the ability to respond only to a particular ion. If it is particular to hydrogen ion, means it selectively gets the potential of the particular ion of hydrogen, not other ion present in the sample. The potential developed by an ion selective electrode, it depends only on the concentration of the particular ion. Example, the glass electrode, which the glass membrane only measures the H plus ion present in the mixture. So we get the particular ion concentration, that is H plus ion concentration. We know that pH is the concentration of H plus ion. So we get the solution pH, that is sample pH. The ion selective electrode is an internal reference electrode, the glass electrode. The glass electrode is considered as the internal reference electrode. The construction of these reference electrode, that a platinum wire, it is dipped in the solution of 0.1 m HCl, and a thin walled glass bulb, it is at the bottom. The thin walled glass bulb, it is at the bottom, which having the low melting point and high electrical conductivity, which is containing a platinum wire which is dipped in 0.1 m HCl. The glass electrode is represented as, that is cell representation is platinum, 0.1 m HCl and a glass. In that, glass is also act as an electrode here. So the cell representation, the platinum one electrode and glass is another electrode, and the medium is HCl. So electrode, medium and another electrode, platinum 0.1 HCl, medium and glass. The glass is another electrode. The HCl in the bulb furnishes a constant H plus ion concentration. It only considers the potential of the H plus ion present in the sample. The glass electrode is used as the internal reference electrode. We already said that it is an reference electrode. The pH of the solution, specially colored solution containing oxidizing or reducing agent, can be determined using this glass electrode. That is, Eg is the sample and Eg naught is the reference one. It represents the reference electrode, that is glass electrode for the hydrogen ion, and point plus 0.0592 pH. The thin walled glass bulb called glass membrane functions as an ion exchange resin, and an equilibrium is set up between the sodium and the glass, the H plus ion concentration. The potential varies with the H plus ion concentration. Its EMF is given by the expression, that is Eg equal to Eg naught plus 0.0592 pH. The measurement of pH. The EMF of the cell is measured. The EMF, from the EMF, the pH of the solution can be calculated. That is E cell, E right. E cell equal to E right and E left. Here the calomel electrode is in the right side and the reference electrode is in the left side. So E cal minus Eg naught plus 0.0592 pH, we already calculated from the reference electrode, internal reference electrode, that Eg equal to E naught G plus 0.0592 pH. We insisted that calculation here, and for the left E cell, and the E cal is the calomel electrode EMF. So we all know the calomel electrode EMF is 0.2422 volt, and the pH, while combining this particular points, we get the pH calculation, that is 0.25 2422 minus Eg naught minus E cell divided by 0.0592. Here the measurement of pH, the advantages of the glass electrode, it can be easily constructed and readily used. The results are very accurate. It is not easily poisoned and equilibrium is rapidly achieved. This is the advantages of glass electrode. And disadvantages, it is also called as limitations. Since the resistance is quite high, special electronic potentiometer is required for the measurement, and the glass electrode can be used in the solution only pH ranges 0 to 10. Two alkaline solution cannot be measured using glass electrode. The reason is here, the high alkalinity, the pH above 10, is that the cations of the solutions affects the glass. Here the glass is act as a glass membrane. It passes the ion, so it affects the glass and make the electrode useless. So these are the disadvantages, and some of the applications are also there. The internal standard electrode is used in the determining of concentration of cations like H plus ions, sodium ions, potassium ions, silver ions and lithium ions. The internal standard electrode are used as the determination of hardness, that is calcium and magnesium ion present in the water sample, and the concentration of the ions can be calculated. Anions, halides are also determined. It was also used to determine the concentration of gas using gas sensing electrodes also. The pH solutions can be measured using gas sensing electrode. In the internal standard electrode, it also can be determined for cations, anions and halides, and also the hardness in the water sample. So the measurement of pH by sensing through internal standard electrode and also with calomel electrode as a reference, and the glass electrode is another reference one. Thank you.